Okay, here's the difference between organic surge and fake surge, how to detect it. Turn the Uber app on. There's the surge. Turn my app on. Immediate no. Let's see how many drivers there are. The passenger app on. Look how many drivers there are, and none of them are going to get requests. I get this email quite a bit. I'm in the middle of a surge, but I'm not getting any requests. Well, the reason for that is because it's not organic, it's not real. It's a fake surge. Uber put it on to attract some drivers, and sure enough, it did the work. Look how many drivers there are. Of course, Uber app says you're in a busy area. I don't think so, Uber. Surprisingly, the surge is staying there. And the same amount of drivers. None of them have disappeared off the map. Surge is supposed to be dynamic, meaning supply and demand. Well, if there was so much demand that it created the surge, why are all these drivers still not giving requests? That's because it's not organic. That's because it's not real. This is one way to detect the games that Uber plays, and you have to play as well to figure out if the surge is for real or Uber algo just put it on to attract some drivers to go online for the demand that's probably going to be there within the next 2 to 4 minutes.